Are you looking for a best way to earn money online? Then try Gramfree. This is the best project which can help you to earn money online. On this program, you'll be just doing simple tasks such as just watching videos, signing smart contracts. All you need to do is visit every day. Don't miss a day, every day, so that you earn grams, and these grams can be you can exchange these grams to real cash, and you can withdraw your cash using different wallets such as Bitcoin, Visa, PayPal, and all these type of wallets. You can withdraw your money. So when you reach 500 grams, then you'll be able to withdraw your money. Before you reach 500 grams, you can't withdraw your money. But just work hard every day. You have to visit the site every day. So what to do now? Go in my video description. You'll find the link there. Click on the link and sign up and start making money today.